If you have a potato and an egg with a few other ingredients, you can make this simple dish. Let's start off by grating this potato. So now you're gonna put a 1/4 cup of flour. In my case, I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of gluten-free flour because my wife is celiac and I don't want her to get sick. Put about a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. All right, now just mix it up all together. Should only take you about a minute. Now we're gonna fry this in some avocado oil. Add it to the pan, about a tablespoon of oil, and set your stove to medium-high heat. And there you have it, a simple potato omelet. Let's have a bite. Personally, I like eating it just like that, real simple, but my kids like to add some ketchup. You could put anything on top of it. Your imagination is limitless. If you enjoyed this recipe, please check out these other great videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. If you want to help my channel directly, please purchase my cookbook. You could find a link in the description below, or you could click the link somewhere here on this screen.